ERD repairs power supplies like this one made by Artesyn, as well as all other industrial electronics. We also offer a same-day quote on all our repairs. The Artesyn SMP PF is a 750-watt single output power supply, and the output is 59 volts at 12.5 amps. The power supply is fully load tested and has our full warranty. Here you see the Artesyn SMP PF power supply being tested to ensure proper operation after the repair. ERD repairs and refurbishes a complete range of OEM industrial electronic equipment from basic boards to complex robotics, and will evaluate and quote your unit on the same day.
We can repair your industrial electronic equipment, preventing a costly replacement and extended downtime. Thanks for watching ERD TV. We repair a wide variety of industrial electronic equipment that is backed by our 3-year warranty. If you have any questions, contact us by phone or visit us at www.industrialrepairstore.com.